Christina. I will bring you all fresh latest news as we introduce recent happenings for today. A living who got scammed out of desperation to save her non-existent daughter. Let's hear the story.
Tumawag po yung boss ko sa akin. Sabi niya po, hawak niya po yung anak kong babae. Kung hindi po ako mag-send ng 500k next month, hindi ko po ulit makikita yung anak ko po. Nataranta po ako, di ko na alam gagawin ko. Anong gagawin ko na sinend ko na po lahat ng pera ko para lang maibalik.
Meron po ako nakita na number sa site na pwede po akong manalo ng libreng pera o bahay. Nang login po ako tapos di ko na po ma-access yung account ko pagkatapos ng mga ilang araw. Biglaan na lang po nag-ring yung cellphone ko about sa napalanunan, kailangan daw nila ng card information ko. Di ko naman inaakalan kukunin nila yung pera ko. Nahack po nila at nagkaroon ng virus yung phone ko. Tataranta na ako at inilipat ko na lang po sa mga pulis ang mga nangyari sa akin. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon na nahuli yung hacker na yun.
Yes, filing a case against hacker under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012 RA 10175 is a good step to seek justice and prevent further harm. It holds offender accountable for illegal activities such as hacking data theft or system interference. Filing a case also helps protect others from becoming victim of the same cybercrime. However, ensure you gather strong evidence, e.g. logs, screenshot, and report to the authorities like the NBI or PNP Cybercrime Division for proper investigation and legal action.
This is May Sumasing and this is the face of the hacker that such as stealing one's identity and scamming and hacking someone's account. He immediately got arrested and declared this is not his first time doing it, such a thing like this, and hopefully this will be his last. And that's all for tonight here in Sunday News.